everyone, this is Dama. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the secret of how I wash my makeup brushes, and it's very affordable. I don't buy any expensive like soap to wash them, and I do wash them very frequently, and I do have a lot of brushes to wash. These, I typically just put all my brushes in this little container, and I have this bag on the bottom just because since it does have like little holes and squares, I don't want them to kind of like get caught in the middle. So I have plenty of brushes to wash. I usually clean them. I try to clean them every week, but that doesn't always happen. So this is about 2 weeks of dirty brushes, and I do swap out my brushes at least once a week. So I do recommend you, however you do wash them, make sure you do wash them on a frequent basis. So the soap that I use is called, if you are Hispanic, you do know what this is. It's called Jabón Sote, and it's just this pink bar of soap, and it comes in a packaging like this. It says Jabón Sote Rosa, and 400 milligrams of the soap. And it says, I'm going to read in Spanish: por ser un jabón de alta calidad, se puede usar con confianza en la ropa de toda la familia. So pretty much you can use it on clothing. And it actually does have a website, www.sote.com.mx, and I'm sure you can even buy it like online on Amazon, but I do live really close to the border. I live in San Diego, so it's very easy for us to access and obtain this soap. I think Walmart does have this soap at the 99-cent store. And this is how it looks. This is a new fresh bar, and it smells so good. And what this typically is used for is to wash clothing by hand. So if you have like a shirt, you wet it and then you use this soap on a washboard, and you just go like that and wash the garment. This is a very kind of greasy soap, so it does remove a lot of dirt from your clothing. And all it is the soap, a little bit of warm water, and you go like that until all the makeup, eyeshadow, foundation is off, and it cleans them perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you how I do it. It's really simple, self-explanatory, but I'm going to do a super small clip just to kind of show you guys. So that is how I wash my makeup brushes. Jabón Sote is amazing just because it removes all that gunk from the brushes. And I always recommend to everyone to wash them. Whatever technique or soap you use, always make sure to wash them just because they accumulate a lot of germs. And we use those same brushes for 2, 3, 4 times or even more. So the key is to always wash your brushes, and also when you're brushing them, don't be too rough when you're kind of like just cleaning it. So don't be too rough with your brushes because they are also very expensive. Let me know down below how you wash your makeup brushes, any soaps, any techniques you guys have as well. I would love to know, or any future videos you guys would like me to do. And also, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys receive notifications of every time I upload a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.